Zach here over at BMW of West Springfield. Today I am here to talk to you about paddle shifters and how to properly use them. So let's take a ride in our brand new 2022 S440 Grand Cruiser. So the entire point of paddle shifters in general is to use the car's manual mode, which offers a more engaging drive, so to speak, a little more fun. So there is a couple of ways to engage manual mode. So the first and the easiest rather is once you're in drive, you bump the gear selector over to the left to put yourself in sport, and then you just touch the paddle and bumps you into manual mode. And you use the one on the right of the steering wheel to shift up, and the one on the left to downshift. So the other way to engage manual mode in our BMWs is after you've selected sport on the gear shift by bumping it over to the left, you can either pull the gear shift towards you or push it forward, and it will also go into manual mode where you can continue to shift with the paddles, or you can actually shift with the gear shift. And then obviously to get it back to drive, just bump it back over to the right. So now that we're on the highway and we can actually gain speed, this M440 is an 8-speed transmission, meaning we have 8 gears to shift through when we are using the paddles in manual mode. The easiest way to use the paddles is as you're driving and you watch your RPMs build on your dash, you want to upshift around 3,000 RPMs, so when it hits 3. And you want to downshift around the same when it bumps a little below 3. The car will downshift for you automatically if necessary, but the idea is to not need the car to downshift for you and to actually downshift yourself. So thanks for watching, and feel free to come down to BMW of West Springfield and check out this M440 for yourself. I hope this video was helpful.